everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought you for new topic which is distraction. So nowadays people distract many things. So why we are distract? The reason is we are know what kind of distractions we have, but we don't want to remove our distractions, because when we will go remove our distractions, so that time is hard to maintain our self. So that's why we distract so many things. You know what kind of distractions you have. So ask yourself, what kind of distractions I have, and keep diary and jotted down your distractions, and then work in yourself. Like now I distract related to social media, related to food, related to relationship. Nowadays so many things people do, and that times they know now I distract, but we want to stick our distractions. Why we are stick our distractions? The reason is that time we feel very happy, because distractions feel very happy, but we know, but we don't want to remove our distractions. So how to reduce our distractions? You are addicted to social media, so that times ask yourself, what kind of distractions I have and how to handle. So stop using social media. And what about relationship? We are committed another person, like girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, many more relationship, children. There is number of relationships. So how to maintain healthy relationship? Suppose I will give one example to you guys. Like you have girlfriend, you have boyfriend, and sometimes what happen? I want to talk, and that times I'm again and again I'm giving only example. That times we told our partner, I want to talk, please talk to me. And that times she told and he told, like now I'm busy, I don't want to talk. First I will complete my work and then I will call. But what happened? We want to talk. Why we want to talk? Because there is craving to talk someone, our partner. So that's why we want to talk. So that time control yourself. Like what kind of control? This is your question. So I will definitely describe. So that times you told yourself, like now she is busy, now he is busy, have some work. So she is a busy and he is a busy. So and now I am a free and I have another work. Like suppose you don't have any another work. And what about you have cell phone? So you can use your cell phone and then you improve your skills. Like now I am fully free and I want to learn something new. So it's helpful for you. And then whenever she will free and whenever he will free, so definitely she call me. So these kind of perspective you manage your both relationships. So it's helpful for you. Because first, what is the healthy relationship? First, maintain your healthy relationship. So it's helpful for your loved one. Because whenever you fought each other, so how to survive in a whole life? So understand what she want to, what he wants to. And whenever you understand again and again, so it's helpful for you both. I'm not talking about single. So both understand easy. So it's helpful for, and don't distract. You maintain your healthy relationship and don't think like a toxic type, because when you will think these kind of, so that times you feel depressed and nowadays anxiety also. And what happened, like I'm giving example related to homemaker, related to job holder. So what about, so suppose you are a fully free and you are a homemaker and fully free. So you shift your mind like, now I am a free and I want to learn what I want to. I have a small goal. So first I will do what kind of work I want to, like now I'm lacking related to English and now I have kids. So whenever my children come in my home, so I will definitely first I read those books and then I will describe. So it's helpful for me and my children also. So you also save your money. You teach your children every day. So it's helpful for you and you every day save money also. And then whatever you want, so you can buy this money. So it's helpful for homemaker. And what about sometimes what happen, laziness? There is number of laziness. Like suppose now I'm in alone and in my side there is craving. I want to eat something, but I don't want to make any kind of food. So how is it possible? So that times obviously I scroll a phone and then quickly I order any kind of food what I want. So how many times you again and again, order. So don't order food. You know how to make food. You don't know, it's okay. You have good food and then you search like how to cook food and how to make Maggie and how to make chowmin and how to make biryani, veg biryani, and any kind of stuff what you want to. Don't habitual to order any kind of food, because while you are habitual again and again, so what happened, you suffering related to disease also, because you know very well in a market no any one people maintain hygiene. So that's why we suffer related to disease, cancer also, loose motion also. There is number of disease. So control yourself and don't distract yourself. And I'm talking about another thing related to youngsters. Like now we finished our exam and now summer season. So what we will do? So that times we scrolling whole day Instagram, Snapchat, and there is number of app. I don't know, to be honest. I know I how to use in a Insta just because of my YouTube, and another thing Facebook and YouTube. That's it. Why I'm using, just because of my YouTube. Hardly I use 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's okay. I said, and why I use, just the reason is I want to learn new skills, so that's why. I'm not interested to watch unnecessary things, right? Related to any kind of funny video and there is dance and all. I'm not interested. I don't want to distract myself, because while you distract yourself, so how is it possible to achieve your goals? So I have big goals and I want to achieve my goals. So that's why this is my, I promised myself, Lavanya, you really want to achieve your goal. So don't distract yourself, because while you distract yourself, so how is it possible to achieve our goal? I like to suggest to you guys, don't distract yourself. First of all, you make healthy to-do list, so it's helpful for you. any kind of, like now summer season, so whenever we feel bored, so that times we scroll in Instagram, and then that time sometimes what happened, our family, our friends, and some post which is related to explore in a mountain, in another, like what kind of, so that times we watch, and in our mindset also set to ourselves, like I also want to go. So why you are copy someone? You know very well, like I have goal and I want to walk myself. I don't want to go. First I achieve my goal and then I will definitely go and explore new state. But first stick your study. You already finished your exam, it's okay. Let some break and then work your skills. Like you are lacking related to English, you are lacking your communication skills, you are lacking any another kind. You want to learn basketball, you are interested to cricket, you are interested to any kind of curriculum, extra curriculum, you can say, like outdoor game. So you can go and find yourself and you talk, you give at least 5 to 10 minutes every day yourself and said to yourself, like yes, I have goal and I want to explore myself and I will definitely achieve my goal. Because nowadays every people distract, the reason is social media. You are a student, so stop using social media and delete social media. Walk yourself, woke up early morning, so it's helpful for you. In a my routine, I will tell you in a 1 minute. Every day I woke up 6 o'clock and I finished my washroom work related to brush and all these kind of things, and then 6:30 to 8:30 every day I read related to English and I watch related to English content. So that's why I delivered this speech in a beginning time. So that times I'm lacking. I don't know how to talk, how to speak, utter a single sentence. That times, and what kind of girl, that times I don't want to learn even English. I'm in 8th standard. So that times what happened, I don't want to read English related content. I don't want to read English book. That times I'm fully like I'm very comfort in my Hindi. I don't want to learn English. But what happened? I think God decided. That's why I speak, and now I'm giving speech front of you guys just because of God. So I will suggest to you guys, you have to work in yourself, because while you're working in yourself, so in a beginning time it's hard to, and then you're habitual, so you feel very comfortable. Like now I'm making video very comfortable, but in a beginning time, and when I will go video, when I will make a video in a solo video, so many times I attempt, and then one times I did it. And keep practicing, keep learning, so one day you will definitely achieve your goal. So how was my video? If you like my video, so please, I request all my viewer, please like, share and सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.